Hi, I'm Jared with Jones Stevens, and today we're talking about a few gotta-have tools that'll help you out in some tricky situations. The first is the Socket Saver, which is designed to make pipe and fitting repair easy and cost-effective. It attaches to the drill and removes broken plastic pipe from a hub or socket, allowing the fitting to be reused and ready to be solvent welded to a new connection. Available in half up to 4-inch, this handy tool works with PVC and ABS pipe and is perfect in a pinch. Next, we're looking at the Easy Stroke Saw. This is a must-have saw that cuts through pipe fast and smooth. As you can see here, it cuts nicely on the pull stroke and the push. The saw cuts through a variety of materials like PVC, ABS, CPVC, poly, wood, and other soft materials. And the flexible blade allows for a fast, flush cut in hard-to-reach areas. Plus, replacing the saw blade is simple. You don't know what you're missing if you don't have this orange-handled saw in your truck. Another convenient tool to keep on hand is our inside pipe cutter. The cutter can be used on PVC, CPVC, and ABS from inside the pipe. It attaches to your drill and allows the pipe to be cut below floor grade in a ceiling or other tight spaces. A common use for this cutter is replacing a broken closet flange. Keep it on hand and keep your job moving along. Make a complex task simple with these cost-effective tools from Jones Stevens. Toss them in your truck and grab them when you need them. Visit jonesstevens.com for all your plumbing needs. If you need it, we got it.